Welcome guys, so today I'm with the VIVO Y16 and I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks. Okay, so first of all, when you open the camera application, we will be in the photo mode, and right here we can find function linked to the volume buttons. When you click volume up or volume down, we can take photos. When you are going to click and hold the volume up or down for a while, you are going to take a series of the photo. It's also called the burst shot. It works for the volume up and volume down. And if you want to take a look on these photos, you have to open the gallery. Next, you have to simply, let me just rotate the screen. And next, you have to just click on this burst photos. And right here, we can find the preview of all the photos that you take. If you want to select any of them, just click like that and hit this button to save them, and right now you'll find them all in the gallery. Next, you can click once on the shutter to take photo. When you are going to click and hold it, you are also going to take a series of the photos. When you click on the screen once, you can... Hey, why is this phone rotate the screen? I don't know. I'm holding it on the normal position, but let me just turn off this option. Okay, so when you click once on the screen, you can find the sun icon that shows, and we can decrease or increase brightness level with it. And also we can make it automatically by tapping on the screen once. When you try to use the zoom feature, you can go between 1x and also the 2x, as you can see. But you can also click and hold already selected preset, and you can unlock this slider and you can zoom into the 4 times in this phone. And also you are able to zoom in and zoom out by pinching screen with your 2 fingers. Next, we can simply tap in this place to change the color and the temperature on your preview. And also we can adjust the strength of the filter by moving this slider. Okay, next we can smoothly move for the settings when you tap on the right upper corner. As you can see right here, we can enable the camera timer between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. You can also enable the framing lines, so it's called the grid lines, and it helps us to take better composition on the photos. Let's go back. We can also find here the shutter, so let's enable these 3 options. Okay, and the first was touch shutter, so when you click on the photo, it will take focus and also take the photo. We can also say cheese, and the phone is going to take photo. When you rotate to the selfie camera, we can show the palm of our hand, and it will be detected. In the right upper corner, we can find the countdown, and the photo will be also taken. Let's go back for the settings. Right here, you can also change the video resolution, so you can enable the full HD. And right here, we can find the professional function. It's the histogram that will be enabled on the Pro mode. So take a look. It's right here in the left upper corner. Okay. And honestly, that's all from the VIVO Y16, all camera tips and tricks that I can show you and that is useful. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.